Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC Automation. This is Joffer. And today's video we are going to connect the instance variable on our HMI, and we are going to connect buttons on our HMI, and also going to simulate our program and test them if they are working. Okay, so I'm going to edit the text. I'm going to write here fan 1, and this should be the start button. I will make a copy of this button, and I will write the stop, and this presents my fan running. Okay, and again I will make a copy of this all, and I will put it here, and I will call it fan 2. Just make them on the same line. All right. I select this circle and also put in the same line. Okay, so you can also make a box like this and just send this back, and you make a copy of this one. You make sure they are separated. Send back. Okay, so now we have our fun 1 and fun 2, right? Okay. And now we are going to connect the variables. Before doing that, we go to our HMI and we are going to connect the tags. We are going to make two tag tables, tags Y, and tags fan 2, right? And now, so this is our fan 1. We are going to call it start, stop, running. And we are going to connect them now. Come on. This is the start button and stop and run, right? And now we are going to tag fan 2 here. And again, we are going to say start, stop. Since we have already one start, they are giving start, fan 2, stop fan 2, running. And now we go to our instance variables. We connect variables to the HMI tags. Okay, so now we have connected our instance variables to HMI tags. Okay, and now we go to on our screen. We select our start button of the fun 1. We go to properties, event. So we are going to give a behavior to this button. So we are saying when we press this button, it should edit bit and it should set bit while the key pressed. Okay, and which key we are going to say fun 1 start, right? And the stop button, so press. While we are pressing this button, it should and this button is the stop. We go to fun 1 and it should be stop 1. And now we select our circle, we go to animation and we select the appearance, the display appearance, and we connect our tag running. So when our motor is not turning, the color should be green, for example, okay? And when it's turning, it should be red. Done. And now we are going to do with these buttons. So when the start is pushed, we are going to give it a color to green. All right. The same with the stop button. All right, so for the second one, first of all, we connect to press. This is fun 2. Start fun 2. And the same behavior. We connect the stop variable and we go to appearance. We connect fan to running. So while it's running, otherwise it should be green. Alright, so we are also going to change the appearance of the buttons because this is professional. When you are pressing on this button, it changes its color. It's nice to see, and it's very good to do that. And now I'm connecting this button. Okay, so we have connected all variables to our fans, and now we are going to test our program. We go online, we start the simulator or the simulations, and now we start all once again. So, and now our program is already loaded into PLC simulator, and now we are going to start our HMI. It's compiling, and this we do not have any error. All right. Okay, so our HMI is started, and now we are going to test it. So now the motors are not running. The colors are green. When I'm starting, it should turn into red. And when I stop, it should be green. When I start, it's red. When I stop, it's green. And also, when we are going to our OB1, we go online and we go to our HMI. You see, when I'm now starting, I start. It's true, right? Now I'm stopping, it's false. The second one here, false, false, and true, right? So now we have connected our instance variables to HMI tags, and the HMI tags are connected to these buttons. So now we have a connection between your HMI and your PLC, right? So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. And if you are still not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to follow the next beginner series of TIA Portal. Have a great day. Bye bye.